Welcome. In this video, we are going to understand sine function. Why sine theta value is always constant. Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Whatever the size of right angle triangle, why sine 30 is always 1 by 2. This is the point we are going to understand in this class. Even though it is a basic mathematics that we want to discuss in 10th class, but anyhow, it is very important in understanding quantum computing. That's why we are going to refresh the concept once. See, take two triangles of different sizes and right angle triangles. It is the angle between here is 30 degrees, PQ or ABC. So whenever you look at these two triangles, these are similar triangles. Why we say it as similar triangles? The angle here is 90 degrees. The second angle is 30 degrees, 90 degrees, 30 degrees. Obviously, the third angle will be same for both the triangles. If all the three angles are same, then we say it as similar triangles, similar right angle triangles here. So, whenever, and the next point you need to understand, sine theta is, sine function is given as sine theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. See, sine 30 equal to opposite is AB by AC. Here, PQ by PR. Why it is same? Why opposite by hypotenuse is always same for any sized triangle if the given angle is same? This is the point you need to understand. See, whenever you have similar triangles, this is for similar triangles, the ratio of their sides is always same. See, these two are similar triangles. PQ by AB. PQ by AB equal to PR by AC. PR by AC is equal to QR by BC equal to some constant K. The mathematical proof for this is provided in our 10th class. So, Wisdomers 10th class channel, we are going to provide that. So, based on this, whenever you got this from the 10th class proof, by taking these two, AB by AC equal to PQ by PR. See, these two are same. AB by AC means opposite side by hypotenuse. Similarly, PQ by PR means opposite side by hypotenuse. These two values are same if angle has not changed. So that's why always sine theta is a constant value, because for any size right angle triangle. Hope you got clarity on sine function. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates.